Hello guys, and welcome to our channel. Today I will show you how you can customize watermark in your Motorola G53. So at the start, open the camera app. Now tap on the settings, then expand the photos section. Now tap on the watermark, and how you can see there we have a timestamp and there is watermark tool available to turn on, but if you want to customize your watermark, you can add your own signature here. Now accept that, just go back to the camera and take your photo. And the customized watermark should appear in the corner. As you can see, this is our watermark and this is the default one. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, comment, and goodbye.